I should be able to do it. The only difference is mine's the deck over. Well, hi there, and welcome to BSF Recovery Team. Yes, that's right. We brought Blondie down for display for Memorial Weekend up at our booth.
And where are you taking my truck?
The Trollhagen for Memorial Weekend.
But she's got no tires and she's got a cold. She can't go.
Yeah, she's got to go.
She's got a
display.
She's got a cold. She's gonna leave the garage, the shop, with her brand new tires. So she has not been on a trailer for over a year now. This will be her first time in a year going back on a trailer. We're good. So now my girl's on the trailer. You know, it's been a year since, over a year since she's been on the trailer.
Yeah.
Yep.
When we brought her home.
Yep, when we brought her home.
Yep.
And you got her tires dirty. Are you gonna wash them with a toothbrush?
No. And of course, since we brought Blondie down, we decided to bring the Snowcat down for display too. And they were quite popular. So Memorial Weekend was really, really busy for us, and we got lots of recovery footage. We'll give you some highlights of that. What's wrong with
front tire's broke and it don't turn. So he
Okay.
was going to try taking the lot. I'm talking
for you.
Here's the guy. He can let you.
All right, we can take it out forward. How you doing there, Abby? Yeah? Are you wenching the Tahoe out? All right, well, we got a Ford here with no steering, so he's gonna back straight up as much as he can, and we'll see if we can hook onto him. Okay, can you hook this one the same way on this side? Yeah. I can't quite get in there. Well, never fails. I just stopped by our booth up here on the hill and picked up a sandwich for lunch. No more than opened the sandwich and got 2 bites out of it, and we got a call to go out to PB&J, Peanut Butter and Jelly, to pick up a Cherokee, I think it is. Depends on how much you're on the gas.
Yeah.
one that was not very deep. I hate mud. Well, we're down here at Yellow Rock for the rock race. We're gonna stage down by the start line and just sit and watch and wait and see if they need us.
Tell us what happened.
Well, Rick decided to go up the hill, challenge hill, and we had it rolling. Well, the Yellow Rock race just got done. They got done with the challenge hill, and we chimed back into the trail shack, and guess what? We have a recovery. So we're heading out to Hot Rod Hill. So what happened to the steering on the wrecker is my collar that the ram was attached to was sliding back and forth, and 3 of the bolts broke. So my mechanic here all the way from Vegas is fixing it for me. we had to go and get bolts. We made a parts run. We got the bolts now, so we can put it back together, and hopefully it'll clamp tight and last one more day. Well, it's Monday morning. Welcome to BSF Recovery Team. We're down here at Memorial, and they're still playing in the woods. And, well, a call came in from Peanut Butter and Jelly. Something about a Bronco, an old Bronco, I think. I don't know. Wheel bearings that are gone or something. We'll go out and see what's wrong. Left that one back at camp, and just as we were crawling in the truck, another call came in for Jeep Cherokee, I think, or something, Jeep something, out at Anger Management. Thank you. What's that, you ask? Well, that's called a tut. And yes, this is a test moment.
Almost done for the day, huh?
No.
Oh, I gotta head out to Skid Row and pick one up now. Well, it ain't over yet. We gotta go again. This time to Rocky Mountain High. Well, we went out for a trail sweep, and guess what happened? It's a good thing the event's over. Stay tuned in, subscribe for the rest of those. Thanks for watching BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, be safe, and maybe we'll see you out in the woods. that's one up. Now we got one to go. Up. We got some tail sticking out. Okay.
Pretty good. I got about 4 feet up there and 6 feet back there.
That should do. Strap everything down. Well, we got that group loaded, and we got to take it home, unload it, and come back and get another group.
Is this the last thing we gotta grab?
Yeah.
And the wrecker.
Yep.
Cool.